driving in blizzards. Windows all fogged up, can't see a thing in any mirror, barely see out the windshield. Can't see out the rear view, can't see out that mirror. It's fun. And people wonder why it takes a little longer to get done when it's 40-mile-an-hour winds and blowing snow. We just can't see and can't drive as fast. Snow drifts up 3 feet in the driveways. You know, a normal driveway takes, I don't know, 5-7 minutes when we're there. Normal storm. There for a blizzard, it can take 25 minutes to do a little post-stamp driveway. And makes everything take a lot longer. It's a lot more snow, a lot harder to see. It takes longer to back up, so you can't see what you're doing. This is Fargo, North Dakota. People say I must really like when it snows because I'm the snowfall guy, but I can tell you, I don't. I don't control the weather, and if I could, I'd make a whole lot more money. Oh, green light. And it's slippery. Make up the hill. Looks like Steve-O over there.